Alright, here's a look at my door. I'm having trouble with my lock. As you can see, it's not locking or unlocking. There's no latch click. I have movement in the linkages, but not much. There you heard a click, and there you heard a click. So it's like it's not moving far enough. It was working, and then all of a sudden my power locks and my driver's door here stopped being able to be manually locked, and my power locks don't work at all. Maybe, I don't know, maybe this guy burned out and is now resisting in some way. I'm not sure. Anyway, any help is appreciated, or advice. Here's a look at underside. I don't know if that's helpful. And operating here now, operate by key. There you could hear a latch. So applying a little more force using the key, it's able to lock and unlock. Alright, thanks for taking a look.